this country, some people say the country is rounding up, but me, I don't believe that. Because everything we're supposed to enjoy for this country, I go enjoy them. To the glory of God, brethren, October last year, I got married. Somebody should clap for me now. Hello. I got married on the 2nd of October. When you hear where the woman I married is from, you will thank God for me. I married a woman from Imo State. It was supposed to be a statutory wedding. But I told them no. Because the woman I married is from Mbise. Don't shout. I will give you the history. When I met my wife, I told her, I said, baby, I love you. I'd like to spend the rest of my life with you. She said, no problem. Come and see my father. I went to see her dad. When I got there, the man asked me in Igbo. He said, Ongiwa kaineche since Kobonyozo. Meaning, are you the one we've been waiting for? Or is it somebody else? Me being very forward, I replied, I said, sir, I am the one. The man said, good, sit down. I sat down. He called his son. He said, bring my briefcase. When an Igbo man sends his son to bring his briefcase, my brother, run. Because when you ask for bride price from the east, you see, there's something they call virtue. Hello? The virtue that left me in October has not returned. Don't look at the way I'm looking now. You say, this guy is looking good. It's a lie, my brother. They try to recover. What I spent on bride price. The man brought the bride price list and gave me. When he stretched his hand, he said, receive it. When an Igbo man tells you receive it, no problem that they give you. DJ, hold up. He said, receive it. I stretched my right hand. He said, no, use 2 hands. I said, why, sir? He said, you will soon know. I received the bride price. Ladies and gentlemen, for the first time in my life, 4 foolscap sheets felt like the heavyweight of 4 containers. When my father, who went with me to collect the bride price list, saw what was written on the list, for the first time in my life, my father called me his brother. My father looked at the list. When he saw the price, my father looked at me. He said to me, my brother, the Lord is your strength. Good night, ladies and gentlemen.